Hey YouTube, a lot of people don't know you can use programs like Facetune to do like CFFS results. You want to see how your forehead will look smooth, or maybe you want to do like get a nose job or something and remove like your hump on your nose, or your Adam's apple. You can use Facetune for this. And here I got my phone, so I'm just going to get a little Facetune. Facetune. Okay, so here is my face. And you can see my forehead right there. And what I want to do is I want to click reshape. My nose is already, it's a nice nose. So I'm going to click reshape, and no, I'm going to click refine, okay? And what you want to do is, if you use 2 fingers, that will enlarge the picture. What you want to do is use 1 finger and basically just push against the area you want to make smooth. So we're going to try to make all this flat. Okay, so I'm gonna okay, and then I can bring some of this out if I made it too flat. Because that's not okay. So this camera. Okay, so all you're basically doing is pushing against the forehead, and it's not perfect, but you can bring some of this out. Maybe try reshape. Yeah. Okay. And say you had a bigger nose. So refine. Say you had a bigger nose. Okay. Say my nose was like that. All I would have to do is come in and just kind of push it down. Right? So it's not perfect, but it can give you an idea. I think Photoshop works better for this, but I don't know how to use Photoshop on a cell phone. So there you go. So if you want to see how it looked before, you see these 2 little squares on the bottom? You just press those and it'll show you like a before and after. And if you had an Adam's apple, you just kind of push it back. If you want to lift your lip a bit. Oh. Kind of like that. That doesn't look good, does it? Well, that don't look good. But the forehead looks pretty good. And if you want to go back, you click here. And it'll take you back all the way through each step you did. So we can see there, I started with that forehead, and then we clicked refine. Then we just push that back, kind of like that, and that was it. If you have Photoshop on your computer, or I guess cell phone, they have a tool, it's called Liquify. So you look for Liquify. Liquify. Right there. Okay, and what this does is basically the same thing, alright? So it gives you this round circle, and you want to make it a little smaller, so you come over here, click brush size, go a little bit smaller, okay? And what you do is you just basically press on the area and drag it. So I want to make this smooth, so I'm going to press and drag. Okay. Basically like that. If you had like a hump in your nose or something. That's kind of how my nose looked before. So I would come in and I would kind of like that. Right? If I had an Adam's apple here, I can come in with this liquify tool and get rid of that. So yeah, if I want to do a lip lift, so I'm going to make the brush a little smaller. And so I'm going to click here, and it's kind of going to make the lip move up on its own just by clicking. Click and drag, I mean. So oops. Here, I'm going to make the brush a little bit bigger. Oh, I screwed that up. I screwed that up. But, alright, I'm not the best at the lip lifts, but we can do the noses and the forehead. So, if you want to do this, all you need is Photoshop. You don't even need like the newest Photoshop or anything. This is like Photoshop CS3. I think that's like 20 years old or something like that. So yeah. Here is another example I want to give you of the orbital bones here. So if you use this liquify tool, filter, liquify, alright, and I'm going to go to a smaller brush again, maybe a little bit bigger, oh no, a little bit smaller, okay. And here you can see this is in FFS the surgeon tries to smoothen all this out and open up the eye. So you can see okay, so you can see how that has changed just by using this liquify tool. All this is smoothened out, and if you want to show it how it looked before, you can click this, restore all, okay. So you can see it made a big difference, and that was just using the liquify tool.